I have written this program using my mobile, which will show the elements, the sum of elements present inside a array. It's showing first enter the size, I will give 3. It's showing the elements of the array, I will give 1, 2 and 3. Let's see the sum will be 6 or not. See here the sum of the elements is. In this video we are going to discuss how to find the sum of array elements. What does it means? Let me clear first. Let's declare a array, that is of integer type int arr, which contains element like 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the sum of array elements means here the elements are 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to find 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. This we have to find this. Okay, how we can do that? Now we are going to discuss that. See here it is of integer type. How we can access the first element of this array? Here the array we can by writing arr of 0. If we write this, then it will give the first element, that is 4. Then if we want to find out this element, the second element, then we can write arr of 1, 5, like this, arr of 2 and arr of 3. Likewise we can find the all elements of array present in the array. Then if we want to find the sum, then we can do like this, arr of 0 plus arr of 1 plus dot 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 arr of, here how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So arr of 4, it will give 4, it will give 5, here it will be what, 6 and it will 7. Now see here only 4 elements are there, so we can write that by manually. We can write arr of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but let us consider there is lots of number. Here if we found a array containing hundreds number, then we can write arr of 0, arr of 1 up to 100, which is not possible. So we have to use what? For loop. We have to use for loop to do that. Let's see how we can do that. Here let's declare an array int. The array name is a and the elements are 9, 7, 6, 9, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5. See how we can find the sum here by using what? For loop. For int I equal to 0, here the index starts from 0 and it go up to how much? It goes up to the length of the array minus 1. The length. How you can find the length of the array? By using the length method. Here the int I equal to 0 and I is less than a dot length and I plus plus. Now initially we have to declare a sum variable, int sum equal to 0. Now here we can write sum equal to sum plus a of I. This will give the total sum of the elements present inside the array A. Now we can simply print that value, sum. This is the logic to find out the sum of elements present inside a array. Understood? This is the logic. Now I am going to code this part using the mobile. Let's see that. Now is the time to write that code using my mobile. First of all, I will create a main method, that is public static void main and string args, the arguments. Now I am going to create that method. Inside the main method I will declare a integer array. The name of the array is awr. Now I am going to write the elements of the array. These are 4, 7, 3 and 1. See, I have to find the sum of these elements here. First I will calculate the length of the array, that is by using the array name dot length method. this will give the length, and that I will store in a len variable that is of integer type. Now I will start a for loop from int I equal to 0, which will go up to less than len. I mean the len is here 4, it will go up to 3. Now I mean it will start from 0 and go up to 3. First I will create a sum variable in which I will store the sum of the elements. Inside the for loop I will declare sum equal to sum plus array name of what? I. See, I will declare sum equal to sum plus array name of I, and out of the for loop I will just print the value of sum by writing a user message that is the sum of the array elements are. Then I will just print the variable sum. This will give the sum of that elements present inside the array. Let's see, I am going to do that. See, this is the complete program. Now I'm running. See, it's showing some error in there in the code. Let's see where is the error. See, I have declared the array name ARR, so I have to do ARR, not ARR. I think it will be work properly. Fine. It's showing the sum of the array elements is 15. Understood? See, this is the simple program. We haven't taken any user input from the user. To take user input, we just have to add a extra class, that is scanner class, and we have to create a object. Then by using that object we can able to take user input of array elements. Then we can just also print the sum of that elements. Here we have to change it into int array new int, and here size. Don't worry, I will ask the user to enter the size of the element also. I am saying the user enter the size of the elements, then I will store a size variable of integer type. In that size variable I will store the size that will be given by the user. See, int size equal to, here I have to create first a scanner object. I have to create a scanner object to store, to receive the value from the user. Here I am creating that scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. See, now inside the size variable I will declare size equal to sc.nextInt. It will receive the size of the array that user will give. Now I am going to say enter the elements of the array. After receiving the size, I have created the array that is of size. Then I will ask the user to enter the elements of the array that I will store in the R. The ARR array. The name of the array is ARR. Inside this I will store the elements by using for loop. By using for loop, here see I am doing that ARR of I equal to sc.nextInt. This will store all the elements given by the user in ARR array. Now see, I am going to run that program. See, it is running successful. It's saying, here see, enter the size 4, enter the elements 1 2 3 4, and it's saying the sum is 10. It's working perfectly. Let's run again. See, I will give another size 5, though I'm going to give some another elements like 2 5 6 3 6 5.
Freak out, I've got to